Customizing the start and end times of a YouTube video. Let's say you have a video that you want to share, but you don't want to share the whole video. At the bottom right of your video, click share, and underneath the link, click the start at checkbox. Notice that it defaulted to 3 seconds because I paused the video at 3 seconds. It just made an assumption that that's where I want my link to start, but I could change it. I could change it to 5 seconds or 1 minute 5 seconds. And note how the address up here changes. I can click copy, and then I could paste that link, or I can click embed to get an embed code, and then I can copy the embed code to put that video into a web page. What if you want to customize the start and end times? This is a bit more advanced, but this is the format you would use for a customized link that has start and end. Notice we have a start equals and an end equals. And note these ends here, that's not really an address. This is a format that we're going to use. So these ends is actually the 11-digit number that you normally find at the end of the video link. So let's go back to the original video and note the watch question mark V equals, and whatever comes after V equals, that's going to replace those ends in that customized link. So let's just copy this last part, clicking Control C on my keyboard, and I'm going to left click and drag over all those ends and hit Control V to paste. And let's choose our beginning and end times. It has to be in seconds. So let's say I want this video to start 1 minute and 30 seconds in. I will have to type 90 seconds. And let's say I want it to end at 1 minute 35, so that would be 95 seconds. And then I can copy paste this, or I can go ahead and press enter now to play the link. And let's play it. Let's click summarize comments. Click yes. And notice that it started at 1:30 and it ended at 1:35. You can see the timer here at the bottom. Embedding a video is a bit more advanced. This is the format. Here's the ends. That's the 11 characters again from the video. And here's the start time and end time. So let's plug them in. I'm going to go to the original video and copy these 11 characters. I'm left clicking and dragging. Control C to copy. And I'll left click and drag over these ends. And Control V to paste in that code. And here's my start times. Again, we'll try 90 seconds to start and 95 seconds to end. We'll leave all the other information intact. And if you have a web page where you can embed code, you can put it into that web page. But as an example here, I'm just going to save this text document as HTML and then show it as a web page. So I'm going to go to File, Save As. I'm going to save it as text, but I'm going to give it the extension HTML. And I'll click Save. And then we'll go find it. I'll right click on the HTML file. Click Open With. And let's select Firefox. And here is the embedded video. And let's see if it plays just 5 seconds of the video. Note how it started at 1:30 and it stops right at 1:35.